start with today's question and answer video. So today's question is Vikrail 30 is. So pause this video and write down the answer in comments. So today we are going to discuss sutures. It's a very important question that can be asked in your exam. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to learn that what sutures come under absorbable category and what all come under non-absorbable category. So let's start with the non-absorbable ones first. So we have silk, then we have nylon. So an important question can come from nylon that it has shape memory. Then are SS sutures, then Vitellium, then comes Dacron or polyester. So another important question can come from it. So these are green in color. Then comes Prolene, so it is blue in color, and this also shows shape memory similar to nylon. Then we have the polyamide and polypropylene. So these are all sutures come under non-absorbable. Now let's see the absorbable ones. So why is it important to learn these sutures is that a question can come that which of the following is a non-absorbable, and he will give you 3 absorbable sutures and 1 will be non-absorbable. So that's why it is important to learn these. Then we come in catgut. So catgut, important thing is that it is placed in isopropyl alcohol. Then chromic catgut. So a question has come that chromic catgut was preferred over plain catgut. So many where the answer written is wrong. So the answer will be why is it better? Because of delayed resorption. So this is the main reason why chromic catgut is better. Then the method of hydrolysis of these two are it will hydrolyze through proteolysis, and whereas polyglycolic will show hydrolysis. Then what is important is this polyglycolic and polygalactin. So polygalactin is also known as Vikrail. It is starting from B, so it is violet in color. So it has 9:1 ratio. 9 is what? That is 90% glycolic acid and 10% lactic acid. Then sometimes it will also show, Vikrail will also show triclosan coating. It will also show triclosan coating. So in this absorbable suture, what is important is this polyglycolic and polygalactin, because these both are synthetic. And also you need to differentiate between the polyglycolic, polygalactin from the polyamide and polypropylene, because it can come as a question that which of the following is a absorbable suture, and there can be 4 options: polyamide, polypropylene, and 1 polyglycolic. So answer will be polyglycolic. So we have to remember these two very nicely. So coming back to the question, Vikrail 30 is it is a reabsorbable artificial. One more question can come from suture is that maximum zeros or more number of zeros, smaller is the diameter, smaller is diameter of that suture. For example, we have a 4-0 silk suture and a 5-0 silk suture. So 5-0 will be thinner.